No, I need to ask. Oh, sir, can
What?
I ask you a few questions
What questions?
related to criminology?
Oh, you didn't attend the classes again?
I will attend class next time, but these are few questions.
Okay.
You have to answer it.
I will give you like 1 minute.
Okay. First
Okay.
question.
Yeah.
What is criminology to you as a subject?
Criminology to me. Criminology to me is deviance.
But isn't that it is related to criminals?
No. So let me tell you. Okay, come here.
Okay.
Come here. Did you see the ants going in one line?
Kinda.
Did you
Yeah.
see?
Yeah.
Okay. And if you observe that ants for quite a while, see, there is one ant. Okay. So that one ant is going out of the line, right?
Yes.
Did you see that?
Yes.
Okay. So that ant actually deviated from the line from all the other ants walking.
Okay. So that is how deviance is committed, and that is how they are related to crime.
Now, when I say criminology is deviance, it's the human effort to understand deviance. Okay. So now we can see that ant moving out of the line in different perspectives.
Yes.
Okay. So you could either say that, okay, that ant going out of the line will have its consequences.
Obviously.
Yes, right?
Jurisdiction
You
is
walk
there.
out of the line,
Yes.
you need to face consequences. You understood like what happened like when you walked out of line, right?
Huh.
Last field visit.
Okay, sir. Now I'll follow the rules.
The same thing, okay?
Okay.
And then now, when the ant walk out of that particular line, every other ants walking in the line will have something to say about the ant walking out of the line, right?
Okay.
This is basically the way in which society reacts to people when they deviate from the norms. The ant has to face certain kind of consequences, good or bad. At the same time, the society as a whole will be back talking about the ant, or maybe they will do something about the ant who walked out.
Yeah.
Understand? So, according to me, criminology is that human effort in trying to understand why deviation happens and how it happens, how society as a whole respond to when the deviations happens.
Okay. Another question.
1 minute is over.
No, sir. Another question. You have to
Okay.
answer it. What is
I'll
your
give you like 30 seconds more.
fun question?
Okay.
What is your specialization and how it is interesting for you?
Oh, my specialization is on serial killing.
Okay.
I study individuals who kill other individuals
Like Ted
one
Bundy?
after another.
Ted Bundy.
I didn't study Ted Bundy, but there are other people who study Ted Bundy.
Okay.
I studied few Indian serial killers.
Oh.
Okay.
Are they
So-
interesting to study?
They are quite interesting. In fact, most of the other people were boring to me. That's why I studied them.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a really nice perspective.
Yes.
Okay. Another question. Just one more question. Just like, what did you face like in challenges or experiences in your research work?
Okay, that's a lot to say, but I really don't have time.
No, you have to say.
So it's like, I think it's 25 years before when I studied serial killers. Okay, I was doing my PhD then. So what happened is like when I went to this prison to collect data and all, so the prison officials were never heard about like criminology students visiting the prisons
That is what we
in
are
order to
facing.
collect data.
Yeah.
So they were asking me like, you are doing PhD, you are doing something decent. Why do you come to prison? Go to some good places and complete your study. You will have a good future. Okay, because they didn't understand the whole concept that the people whom they are guarding all the time in the prison has the potential to give something so that we will understand more about crime, criminal behavior.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes.
So nowadays I hear that a lot of studies are happening in the prison. So many students are like going to the prison, collecting data. At the time when I started this research, it was kind of new
Okay.
to the field. Understand? So As a result of when you do something for the first time, you will have to face a lot of
consequences,
lot of problems, lot of obstacles.
Yeah.
So everything was new. It took a while in order to convince other people that okay, these people we can study them. A study in serial killing is actually possible in India. So convincing people that itself was a huge challenge. Then there were so many other challenges in data collection, data analysis, and what do you do when you don't have peer researchers?
Yeah.
Okay. When you do not have peer researchers, where do you look at? Where do you ask? Where do you check for the particular methodologies which you need to follow? The methods for analysis of the data. Whom do you ask for? You don't have any such things from the local perspective.
So we need to build one.
Yeah, we need to essentially build one because the other studies which are conducted is elsewhere. Okay, it's conducted in a totally different culture. Most of the studies were conducted in US, UK, and such kind of places. And as a result of that, when you try to do something in a place like India, where no previous researchers have addressed a particular area of research, it would be challenging. And I thoroughly enjoyed that challenge, and that may be one of the reasons why I took it as my research area.
Okay.
I like doing things which are new, things which are kind of going against the norms. Maybe that one ant which walked out of the line, who knows, I could be that ant.
Sir, or who knows? We are yet to discover you. Okay, you will be the next killer which we will interview. No.
I'm not going to be the killer. I am the person who study. I'm a good human being. You know what?
Okay,
Everybody says that I'm.
No false
Everybody
allegations.
knows that I'm really good. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So
now I need to go. I really need to go.
Sir, ending note.
Okay.
Any ending note that you want to give to the students who want to pursue criminology?
Vanakkam.